Hello and welcome to this video about still life. In this video, we are going to be discussing the key points which comprise still life. We'll start with composition. As soon as you get the question, you should first decide how the objects are composed. You can make rough sketches to decide the same. Then you can decide the lighting, whether it comes from top left or top right to give the most natural views or as specified in the question. Once you are done drawing the objects on the paper and have decided the lighting, you can go ahead and shade the drawing. Also add textures to it. Once you are done with that, you can add shadows. Also pay attention to details such as physical phenomenon like reflection and refraction, as you will see later in the video. So in this question, we have to arrange 4 pots to create a 3D composition. Observe how each pot is different in shape and size. Also, all the 4 pots are very close together, and that creates a sense of unity in the composition. There is also some element of dynamic interest added to it, since one pot is kept on top of another and it feels like it might topple. In this question, we had to arrange a toothbrush, toothpaste, steel glass and a shaving brush. So usually we see toothbrush and toothpaste placed inside a container. And doing composition like these, where you place the toothbrush and the toothpaste in a steel glass, will help the viewer relate to real life experiences and judge your composition better. In this question, we had to arrange 4 candles in a candle stand which is placed on a satin cloth. So observe again how each candle length is varying from one another, and even the stand is in such a manner that the candles are placed at different heights and levels. The satin cloth used is also folded and wrinkled, and that creates much more interest than just having a flat piece of cloth. The question says that one of the candle is lighted, so that is an indication that the candle is the only source of light for the composition. Hence, you can darken the edges around the composition to make it feel like only the candle is the source of light here. The next question says to arrange 3 logs, 4 bricks and 5 spheres. So you can see the use of textures on the bricks and wooden logs. Also, the spheres are again of different sizes and arranged in such a manner that it creates depth. So you have a sphere right at the foreground which is close to the viewer, and you have a few which are at the back which acts like the background. In the next question, we have to arrange a bottle, a cap, a steel container and 2 spoons. Again, notice how the cap has been put over the bottle to add interest. You can also note the attention to details through branding of the cap. Now, if we go back to the previous example, you can see a missed opportunity. A brick usually has the manufacturer's name on it, and that has not been done here. In the next example, we had to arrange 4 cubes, 6 cuboids, 2 pyramids and 20 cylinders. Now, usually when you have a question like this, where there are a lot of basic forms to use, you can create a structure out of it. Like in this case, I made a bridge. The next composition again says to arrange basic forms. So here you can see that a tower has been constructed. The next question is to arrange 2 boxes, 3 glass pyramids and a creeper. Now notice that the glass pyramids are not just simply stacked on the box. In this question, we had to draw a fork and a spoon tied together at the ends by a knot. Observe the attention to details. Since both of them have shiny metallic surfaces, both of them will reflect one another. So in the spoon, you can see the image of a fork, and in the fork, you can see the reflection of a spoon. In this question, we had to arrange a bottle, a half-eaten apple, a knife, a plate and a spoon immersed in glass half full with water. So whenever you have things immersed in water, you will observe refraction, and you have to depict the same even in your drawing. Also observe the shadows of the bottle on the plate. The shadows take the form of the plate and are not just flat. But there is one mistake in this composition. The question clearly says half-eaten apple, and when the question is as specific as this, you have to draw a half-eaten apple. Alright, so that's it for this video. See you in the next one.